Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily Life Talks. I'm Sarah.
And I'm John. Thanks for tuning in again. Today, we thought we'd keep it really simple. Just to chat about our daily lives. You know, the little routines, the habits, the funny things that happen in between.
Yeah, sometimes the small, ordinary stuff can be the most interesting. People often think daily life is boring, but when you really look at it, it's full of stories.
Absolutely. So maybe let's start with mornings. Sarah, what's a typical morning like for you?
Oh, mornings are chaotic, but cozy. I usually wake up around 6:30. The first thing I do is make coffee. Honestly, without coffee, I can't function.
Same here. Coffee is non-negotiable. Do you eat breakfast too?
Yeah, usually just something light, like oatmeal or toast, sometimes fruit. But what's funny is, even though I like quiet mornings, my phone starts buzzing with notifications as soon as I wake up. Messages, emails, reminders. I've been trying not to check my phone right away, but it's hard.
Oh, I feel that. I've read so many articles saying, don't check your phone in the morning. But come on, it's the first thing we all do.
Exactly. So, what about you? What's your morning routine?
Well, I'm a little lazier. I usually wake up around 7:30, maybe 8 if I don't have meetings. First thing, I stretch. I've been trying to get into yoga. Just 10 minutes of stretching really wakes me up. Then I make breakfast. Eggs, toast, sometimes a smoothie. I'm actually more of a tea person than coffee.
That's rare. Everyone I know survives on coffee.
Yeah, but tea feels calmer. I drink green tea in the morning, gives me energy but not the jitters.
That's nice. Do you read or listen to anything while you eat?
Oh yeah, I usually put on a podcast. Something short, maybe 15 minutes. It feels like company while I'm eating.
That's a good idea. I should do that instead of scrolling social media.
After breakfast, it's straight to work for me. Since I work from home, I don't have to commute. But sometimes I kind of miss commuting.
Really? Most people hate commuting.
Yeah, but it gave structure to the day. Reading a book on the train, listening to music, seeing the city wake up. Working from home blurs everything together. Bedroom, kitchen, office, all in one place.
True. I still commute 3 days a week, and honestly, I have a love-hate relationship with it. Traffic is annoying, but at the same time, I use that time to just zone out, listen to music, or sometimes just daydream.
Do you ever people watch?
All the time. People on the bus or train are fascinating. You see the same faces, different moods. Sometimes you even overhear hilarious conversations.
Oh, I have a funny one. Back when I used to take the subway, I once overheard a guy explaining to his friend how he believed pigeons were actually spies.
No way. Like government spies.
Yep, he was dead serious. He said pigeons recharge on power lines.
I tried so hard not to laugh.
That's priceless. See, daily life is full of comedy if you just listen.
Let's talk about midday. What's your lunch routine like?
I usually bring my lunch if I'm going into the office, saves money. It's often leftovers from dinner, but when I forget, I grab something quick, like noodles or a sandwich.
I'm terrible at planning lunch. I usually end up ordering delivery. It's so convenient, but expensive.
I get that. Do you ever cook during the day?
Sometimes, if I have time. Actually, cooking is one of my favorite parts of daily life. It's relaxing. I put on music, chop vegetables, and it feels like therapy.
That's great. I'm the same with baking. On weekends, I'll bake bread or cookies. The smell fills the house, and it's so comforting.
There's something about homemade food that makes daily life richer.
Totally. And meals aren't more than food. They're little pauses in the day, little rituals.
So, after lunch, how's your afternoon usually?
Honestly, that's my sleepy time. Around 2 p.m., my energy drops. If I'm at the office, I grab another coffee. If I'm home, sometimes I sneak in a quick nap.
Oh, yes, the classic afternoon slump. For me, I try to take a short walk. Just 5 or 10 minutes outside really helps reset my brain.
That's smart. I think being outside is underrated. Just seeing the sky makes a difference.
Exactly. I once read that even looking out a window at some trees can lower stress.
Makes sense. Our lives are so full of screens, we need those little nature breaks.
True. So, after work, what's your evening like?
Evenings are my favorite. I get home, change into comfy clothes, and cook dinner. Then I usually watch a show or read. Sometimes I meet a friend for dinner.
Do you cook often in the evening?
Yeah, most nights. It's healthier and cheaper. Plus, I like trying new recipes. Last week I made Thai curry for the first time. It turned out pretty good.
Nice. I'm more of a simple cook. Stir fry, pasta, grilled chicken, but I've been trying to expand.
Cooking is like a little creative project every day.
Yeah, and after dinner, I usually do chores, laundry, cleaning up. Not exciting, but necessary.
Oh, totally. I put on music or a podcast while cleaning. Makes it feel less boring.
Nights are interesting. Some people are night owls, some people are early sleepers. Where do you fall?
I'm more of an early sleeper. By 10:30, I'm ready for bed. I like having a slow wind-down routine, skincare, maybe some journaling, reading a few pages of a book.
That sounds peaceful. I'm the opposite. I'm a night owl. My most creative ideas come at night. I'll be up until midnight or 1 a.m. sometimes, writing or editing.
Doesn't that mess with your mornings, though?
It does, but I've learned to live with it. Everyone has their natural rhythm, I guess.
True. The key is finding balance, right?
Yeah, and that's the beauty of daily life. It's all about balance. Work, rest, fun, responsibilities.
And appreciating the small things, like a good cup of coffee or a walk in the park or laughing at something silly.
Exactly. Daily life might sound ordinary, but it's the foundation of everything.
And it's what connects us all. Everyone wakes up, eats, works, rests, dreams. Different details, but same rhythm.
Right. So before we wrap up, what's one little daily ritual you're most grateful for?
I'd say my evening tea. It feels like a hug in a cup, a signal that the day is ending. What about you?
For me, it's my morning stretch. Just 10 minutes, but it sets the tone for the whole day.
I love that. So, listeners, what about you? What little parts of your daily life bring you joy? Think about it, and maybe you'll notice something beautiful in your own routine today.
That's a great note to end on. Thanks for hanging out with us in this conversation about daily life.
Remember, ordinary days are extraordinary when you pay attention.
Well said. See you all next time.
Bye, everyone.